want to jump things over into the Eastern Pacific. I know we're talking a lot about, the Atlantic. Thankfully, things are quiet right now, but it's the EPAC that is just humming. We have Dalila, which was named yesterday afternoon. We have another area to watch, but I want to jump ahead into Tropical Storm Dalila. It's warmed up now, and we are expecting to see those warmer waters continue to strengthen this storm, at least in the near term, throughout the day today. Once we cross the threshold into the end of the weekend by tomorrow, unfortunately, Dalila moving into a much less conducive environment for that tropical strengthening. Moving off to the northwest at 12 miles an hour, it's just grazing the Mexican coast, but there is still an impact here. A little bit of a closer swipe, and unfortunately, we do have those outer rain bands bringing in the potential for flooding, perhaps some mudslides in that hilly terrain. Definitely some rough surf. Satellite picture this morning definitely showing some blossoming of that thunderstorm development around the core of Dalila, especially favoring the, say, northwest western quadrant of that center of circulation. You can see kind of some dry air starting to work its way in along the east, and so maybe that's beginning to disrupt things right along the immediate coast. The warmest water, when we talk about ocean heat content, that's just a measure of how deep those warm waters go. And you can see Dalila's moving away from the deepest of those warm waters, and it's just about entering that shelf, that drop off into cold waters that eventually is going to disrupt that thunderstorm development and weaken the storm as we get into the end of the weekend. So by about Monday and especially by Tuesday, we will say goodbye to Dalila. But we have those tropical storm warnings up at least through the end of the day today on into tomorrow. And some good news is, real quick check-in, things are going to be quiet in the Atlantic as we look into about the next 7 days.